Good morning to all. Dear student, welcome back to the biology class. So, today in the biology class, we are going to start our lesson 8, that is weather, climates and animal adaptation. So, as you know, before starting the video or before watching the video, please be ready with your books. So, what is weather? The weather of a place can be defined as the measure of its daily atmospheric conditions such as humidity, temperature, lightning events, rainfall, storm, snow, and so on. Different elements of weather are rainfall, temperature, humidity, snowfall, storm, wind, etc. So, weather is what? It's the state of the atmosphere over a short period of time. Weather is the conditions or states of the atmosphere that remain for a short time, and it is for a particular place. Okay, and it includes what? Humidity, temperature, lightning events, rainfall, storm, snow, and so on. Okay. Here, this image shows different types of weather. First one is sunny, cloudy, partially cloudy, hot, warm, cold, windy, breezy, and rainy. So, different types of weather are showing here. Now, what is a weather report? A weather report generally contains the information about the weather of the day. So, what is weather report? It is generally the information about the weather of the particular day. Okay, so how is the day today? Like today is the sunny day, or it will be the rainy day or windy day. So, which give us the information about the weather of the day is called the weather report. The government has a special department called the meteorological department that predict the weather of a place and prepare the weather report. So the meteorological department, it's a government department is there, that department can predict the weather of a particular place, and they prepare a weather reports. Okay, so they will do the study about the weather and they will predict the weather of particular day, and they will write a report. They will prepare a report for it. The weather report is generally published in newspaper, radio and television. The weather focus is important for people because many of our day-to-day activities are based on weather conditions. For example, we can check the possibility of rainfall on a particular day and carry an umbrella with us accordingly. The weather of a place is never constant. It can alter every day or even every hour. For instance, the weather might be sunny in the morning in an area but rainy in the evening. The weather report of a place always includes the minimum and maximum temperatures of the day, which are measured during using a minimum maximum thermometer. The minimum temperature can be experienced in the morning time, while the maximum temperature is experienced in the afternoon. To measure the rainfall of a place, an instrument called the rain gauge is used. The rain gauge collects the rainwater of origin and has a measuring scale which determines the quantity of rainfall of that place. Here is the image of a rain gauge. The scientific study of weather is called meteorology. Scientists who study and predict weather are known as meteorologists. Meteorologists study pattern in weather and the several factors that affect it. They use computers and data from weather stations all over the world and satellites to predict the weather. Weather forecasting is a very complex task. So weather forecasting is a very difficult task. And the scientific study of the weather is called as a meteorology, and the scientist who study about the weather is called as the meteorologist. So meteorologists, what they are doing, they are study the pattern of the weather and several factors that affect the weather. Okay, and they're using the computer, satellite, and they collect the data from the weather station all over the world, and that one they uh, give in the satellites. They telecast through the satellites. Elements of weather: temperature, humidity, precipitation, and wind are the element of weather. So these are the elements of weather. Temperature. Temperature is the measure of how cold or hot a place is. Temperature is usually higher during the day than at night. Special thermometer known as maximum and minimum thermometer are used to measure these temperatures. Normally, the maximum temperature of the day is in the afternoon and the minimum temperature is early in the morning. So what is the temperature? Temperature is the measure of the how much the cold and hot the place is. Okay, so during the daytime the temperature will be higher, especially in the afternoon the maximum temperature is recorded, and early in the morning the minimum temperature will be recorded. For recording that, they are using a maximum and minimum thermometers. Okay, next one is the humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere. When water evaporates from water bodies, water vapor enters the atmosphere. When the amount of water vapor or humidity is high, clouds are formed. Warm air can hold more water vapor and humidity is higher in tropical region. Humidity is measured by an instrument called a hygrometer. So, what is the humidity? The amount of water vapor which is present in the atmosphere. Water vapor means when the water bodies are heat, so water is converted into gas and that goes rise to the atmosphere. So that is called the water vapor. So water vapor, how much the water vapor, amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere is called as the humidity. Okay, so if the humidity will be more high, then it's form a what? Clouds. And warm air can hold more water vapor and humidity. So warm air, they can hold the more water vapor and the humidity, especially in the region of the tropical rainforest or tropical region. And humidity is measured with the help of an instrument called hygrometer. Okay, next one, precipitation. Precipitation is the water that falls from the atmosphere to the earth's surface in the form of rain, snow, hail, or sleet. So precipitation is what? The water which can fall from the atmosphere to the earth in the form of a rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Rainfall occurs when a small droplet of water in the cloud join to form bigger drops which fall to the ground. So how the rainfall occurs? Small drops of water when combined together and form a bigger drops of water, then it's fall from the cloud to the ground. The rains are very important for agriculture in India. India gets most of its rainfall during the monsoon. Southwest monsoon started from June to September and northeast monsoon started from October to December. So rains are, why the rain is important? Rain is important for the agriculture purpose, especially in the India. So maximum Indian farmers are dependent on the rain water for their agriculture. Okay, so it is a very important for the in the India for the agricultural purpose. And rainfall, when the rainfall will be get most rainfall in the monsoon season. So in the southwest, monsoon season started from the June to September, and in northeast monsoon started from October to December. The rain affects the amount of moisture retained by the soil and the length of time it is available to the plants growing there. Rainfall is measured with the help of a rain gauge. So how the rainfall is measured? It is measured with the help of a rain gauge. One instrument is there, that is called the rain gauge. So already I have given the picture of the rain gauge. So by the help of the rain gauge, the rainfall is measured. Next one is wind. Moving air is called wind. It's blow because of the uneven heating of the earth. So moving air, the air which is moving very fast are called as the wind. So wind is what? It's blow when there is a uneven heating of the earth. The wind may be a gentle breeze, or it may move fast, creating stronger, more powerful wind. So wind is sometimes it's a very gentle, very slow wind will blow, and that one everybody like it, very cool air. So it is blowing very slowly. So it is called the gentle breeze of a wind. So we like this, but sometimes the wind will move very fast and very strong, very powerful, and that can destroy many human beings. Like it can destroy the agriculture, it can destroy the tree, it can break the trees, it can take out the roof of the human beings, it can break the houses also which are made from the bamboos and all. So they are creating a damage. Wind affect weather to a great extent. Wind also affect the weather to a great extent. The direction and speed of the wind should be measured for forecasting weather. The speed of wind is measured using an anemometer. So wind is measured the anemometer. Okay, wind is measured using an anemometer. Clear? So student, that's all for today's class. In the next class, we will learn about the adaptation of animals to different climates. So here are some questions for your home assignment. Write down the answer and send me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So questions I have given from your textbook. That is from the page number 89, the fill in the blanks are there. That fill in the blanks you can do. And from the page number 90, you can do the choose the correct answers. Clear? Write down and send me in the group. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.